Welcome back to AR Gossips. Real name Burak Deniz. Date of birth February 17, 1991. Place of birth Istanbul, Turkey. Nationality Turkish. Height 1.83 meters. Zodiac sign Aquarius. Early life and education. Burak Deniz was born and raised in Istanbul, Turkey. He completed his primary and secondary education in the city. After developing an interest in acting, he decided to pursue a career in the entertainment industry. He attended the Istanbul University and graduated from the Department of Acting at the Istanbul University State Conservatory. This helped him hone his skills and he went on to become one of the Turkey's leading actors. Career Burak's acting career began in 2011 when he landed his first role in the Turkish TV series Dilay Sarayli 2011. Although his role was relatively small, it marked the beginning of his career in the entertainment industry. He quickly gained attention for his talent and looks, which sets the foundation for future roles. His breakthrough role came with the hit series Kara Para Aşk, in which he starred opposite Turkish actress Tuba. Burak played the role of Omar, a police officer, and his chemistry with Tuba was widely appreciated. This series brought him significant recognition and a large fan base. Further success Bizim Hikaye Burak played the lead role of Baris in this series, which is a Turkish adaptation of the British series Shameless. His performance was praised and he won several awards for his portrayal of the character. Jarali, a short film where Burak played the role of Kinan. Aşk Laftan Analmaz. In this series, Burak starred as Hayat's love interest Murat, which added to his popularity. Awards and recognition Burak's talent has earned him several accolades and recognition in the Turkish entertainment industry. Some of the notable awards he has received include Golden Butterfly Award, Morex Dior Award, and Kocaeli Film Festival Award. These awards are a testament to Burak's growing influence in the Turkish entertainment industry and his commitment to his craft. Brand ambassadorships As a popular figure, Burak has been involved in several brand partnerships and ambassadorships. He has represented numerous prestigious brands including Puma. Burak is known to be associated with Puma, where he became the face of the brand in Turkey. BMW. He has also collaborated with the luxury car brand BMW for promotional campaigns. Colgate. Burak starred in advertisement for the Colgate brand, further increasing his visibility. His charismatic personality and style make him an ideal choice for high-end brands. Personal life Burak has been quite private about his personal life, but he has been linked to several high-profile relationships. His most notable relationship was with the Turkish actress Didem, with whom he was in a long-term relationship. However, the couple reportedly parted ways in 2019, and since then Burak kept his romantic life out of the public eye. There have been rumors and speculations about his other relationships, but Burak has managed to maintain a level of privacy regarding his love life, preferring not to share too much about it publicly. Hobbies and interests Outside of acting, Burak enjoys various activities including sports, fitness, traveling, and music. Burak Deniz is one of the most talented and popular Turkish actors in recent years. With his impressive acting skills, charming looks, and loyal fan base, he has cemented his place in Turkish entertainment. His journey from a budding actor to a leading figure in the industry is inspiring, and he continues to gain recognition for his work both in Turkey and internationally. Subscribe for more amazing videos.